Hey everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Here, I'm really glad you stopped by. If you wish to change your Instagram username, then this video tutorial is perfect for you, so let's get into it. So the very first thing that we have to do is to open our Instagram account. So now we're here in the Instagram application, so you just have to click your profile icon, which is located on the lower right corner of the application. So just click that. So now that we are here in our profile, just go on and click this three line here on the upper right corner. So just click that. So after clicking that, just go directly to this account center. So just click that. So you will be directed in here, so just go directly to profiles. So after clicking that, you'll be able to see your Instagram username in here, so just click that one. And then in here we have these four options that you can change: your name, the username, the profile picture, and also the avatar. So since in this case or in this tutorial we're going to change our username, then we are going to click username. So now in here, as you can see, it has a check mark on the right corner on my username, so it means that this username is available in Instagram. So let's try to change that. So now I'm going to change this, but as you can see in here, it has this red notice and it says username is not available. So in that case, you have to choose another name for your username. So as for mine, I'm not going to change my username since my current Instagram username is already available. And if for your case, just go and find another username until this red sign in here will turn to check mark. So that's it, and you're now good to go. So if you have enjoyed this video, then don't forget to leave a like and don't forget to leave a comment also if you have thoughts or just an opinion you wanted to put in your comment section. And also subscribe in this channel for more Instagram content and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss an upload. Until next time, take care and I'll see you in the next one.